Very good morning, one and all here. It's indeed a pleasure to be here amongst friends. Sorry, forgive my voice. I happened to lose my voice over the last weekend. It's called laryngitis, and I have difficulty projecting my voice, so please forgive me. I'll try my best to be able to kind of speak to you on this. Mr. Lilia Habakon, Executive Director, DOST, friends and colleagues from all over Philippines, Department of Science and Technology, Philippine Science High School. I think we are going to address the topic of academe-industry partnership. So, for me to start with academe-industry partnership, I'd like to begin with PISA. PISA is a program for international student assessment. And it will become apparent why I wanted to do this. PISA is an international test in math, science, and reading for 15-year-old students from more than 70 countries across the globe. It is conducted once every 3 years, and the tests are designed by OECD. And PISA gauges the ability of our young people around the world to apply their math and science knowledge and skills in solving interdisciplinary real-world issues and problems. It also tests our young people in thinking skills. Now, for almost every 3 years since the beginning of the year 2000, Singapore has topped the global rankings in each of these subjects: math, science, and reading. Now, why is Singapore so successful? It is not the longer hours that we spend in instruction. If that's the case, the USA would have overtaken Singapore. USA spend more time teaching their students in math in their classes than Singapore does, and so does many countries. So it is not about longer instruction hours, nor is it about the ability to memorize, nor is it about rote learning. Singapore has moved way past rote learning since the beginning of the year 2000, since the 21st century begins. The Singapore system uniquely emphasizes thinking and application skills in their curriculum. Now, how do STEM educators like yourself, how do you hone thinking and application skills and problem-solving skills in your young millennials? I know many of you here may have attended the program and the lessons at Nanyang Poly over the last 12 to 18 months, and I will cite Nanyang Poly as an example. And Nanyang Polytechnic STEM educators seek out industry problems, product challenges, and production issues, which we bring back into the campus as defined projects for our young students to work on and to apply the theoretical concepts that they have learned in math, science, IT, and engineering into solving those problems and delivering the solutions, real-world solutions, back to industry. So that's the kind of work that students are engaged in. And very often, these students have to operate in teams on the projects that they have to solve, they have to deliver. And very often, the team has to be interdisciplinary. So students learn to work in team and to collaborate in team to be able to deliver the solution, tapping on each other's knowledge. So educators like you and I have to be more than just educators. We have to be able to work with industry to collaborate with industry. You have to be close to industry to be able to convince industry that you are able to add value to what they are doing, which is what Nanyang Poly has done every year since we established ourselves in 1992. And year in, year out, the industry sends in more and more project work because the students of Nanyang Polytechnic, together with their faculty members, are able to deliver every time when we do a project. So that kind of collaboration is something that I would like you to think about, and perhaps later in the day you need to ask me how we do it and I can share some of the knowledge there. But better still, come over to Singapore, come over to Nanyang Poly, and we will share with you, immerse you in the environment to see how it is done in Nanyang Poly. So on that note, I thank you, and I'm sure, as Lilia has pointed out, you have now moved up the ranking table. I'm not sure whether it's a pizza table, but pizza as the latest test, which is done 2018. The results are only out in December this year. So that ranking, we'll see whether Singapore continues. And if Philippines is not in pizza, are you in pizza? You are. So that's good. So there is a benchmark. So use that benchmark to be able to solve real world problems in partnership with industry. Thank you very much.